Hi loves, I'm finally back. Welcome back to my channel. It's ThatGirlRuvie. Oh, you're probably wondering, where has this girl been? I'm back, and now that I've gripped life by the neck, I'm calling the shots. Okay, so today I decided to come back and post my first video of the year on my birthday. Today's my birthday. Yeah, anyway, so in today's video I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how I made my birthday outfit. So I'm gonna be wearing a bubu. So the reason for why I actually chose the bubu for my birthday outfit is because I usually lean towards skin tight clothes. Like, I'm a skinny girl. I be feeling like I look like a toothpick in the big dresses, okay? In the sundress. This is something that I wanted to challenge myself to do, so that's why I made a bubu dress for my birthday outfit. This is the fabric I chose for my dress because it's pink, of course. So you're going to need a scissors, tape measure, and a fabric marker. So to make things easier for me, I cut out the height of my dress already because I had gotten 6 yards, which is about 5 point something meters of fabric. So you're going to need two sides, the back and the front, which are going to be the same height or the length of your dress. So we're going to take one of the sides, which is going to be our front. That's going to start with. Make sure it's laid flat and all the corners are aligning. Initially, I wanted my sleeves for the dress to be long, but unfortunately the fabric was a bit too short for my arms, so we're just gonna use it as it is. So I had to change to this marker, and we're going to mark 11 centimeters on the folded side of the fabric from the top, and then we're going to mark 15 centimeters from the folded side going towards the end of the sleeve. So this is going to be our neckline basically, and then I went to the end of the sleeve. We're just gonna go down 1 centimeter from the top of the fabric so that our shoulder length is not straight, so it's a bit slanted when it fits on the body. So we're just gonna connect that line. After that, I'm just going to freestyle my neckline, joining the two dots together. That's the 11 centimeters and the 15 centimeters. And then now I'm measuring my armhole. So this depends on you if you want your armhole to be tighter or a bit looser. I want mine to be in between. And then back to the folded side of the fabric, I'm measuring my shoulder to under boob measurement. That's where I'm going to be placing my inside ties to give that snatching appeal to the bubu dress. The side seams of the dress, I'm going to do a little bit of a curvy seam from the outside of the fabric because I did not want excess fabric hanging under my sleeve. I ended up adding a bit more centimeters to my armhole and then started my curve from there. After the mini curve, I'm going to continue the straight line all the way down to the bottom of my dress. Cutting time, so I'm going to start by cutting off the slant for the shoulders, which was 1 centimeter coming from your shirt a bit down, and then we're going to do the neck hole, and then now cutting off the little curvature side seams. I did not like how small my neck hole was looking, so I freestyled it and just extended it a little bit. Now we're going to take the back part and also fold it in half. So I put it inside out so you guys can see the difference between the front part of the dress and the back. So on the back we're going to cut the shoulder slant as well, and then the side curve seams. Now making sure that the bottom of my dress is straight, measuring up the back and the front of the dress. Last but not least, we're going to be cutting the little straps that are going to be attached to the front of the dress so that we give the snatching effect on the dress. So you're going to need 2 of these. So I just cut out one long one. I'm going to cut it in 2 later on. And now I'm cutting for my headpiece. So I'm going to cut 2 big rectangles of the fabric on fold because I really want it to be long for other styles as well when I'm wearing it. To start by sewing the strap, so we're going to fold into the middle and then fold it in half again and then sew on top of that. was literally almost done with the strap, and then I realized my thread broke like midway, and the whole time I was not sewing. I was getting frustrated. So it's kind of a challenging for me. Now I'm switching back to a domestic machine when I was now used to the industrial one. But I also learned this trick of tying the little thread on the bobbin to make it easier. So now to our dress. Now we have our strap done. We're going to cut the strap into two, and then we're going to measure our waist and then divide it by 2, and that's what we're gonna mark from the half fold. Make sure it's accurate. So I'm going to pin my straps on there, and I'm just going to backstitch on top of them. After sewing, make sure to cut off the little excess fabric on the straps. Now we are at our neckline, so I'm going to be doing double folded hems so that it's clean. I do not want to go over and overlock or zigzag stitch the ends of this thing. I'm tired, okay? So we're going to fold it twice and then pin, as you guys can see what I'm doing in the video, and then we're just going to do a top stitch. After sewing our top stitch, this is how it should come out. Nice, neat, and clean on the inside too. Don't play with it. Now we are assembling the back and the front of the dress. Now we're going to make sure that they are lined up nicely together, and then we're going to do the double folded hem again on the shoulder sides.
Here we go. Driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night, on a long black road, on the tears I cried in carriages, driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night, on a long black road, on the tears I cried.
Because I have very little time to do this dress, we're also going to do the side seams the same way, double folded hems, and we're going to stitch both at the same time.
Driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night, on a long back road, all the tears I cried. Carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night, on a long back road, all the tears I cried. Days I lost, working all day, ain't got time to waste. I got art to make, I got love to create on this holy night. They won't dim my light. All these years I fight. It's been 38 summers and I'm back in my bed on the back of the bus in the back with the bed. Going so hard, I'ma miss my kids. Overworked and overwhelmed. I might cook clean, but still won't fall. Still working on my life, you know.
After sewing the seams down, this is what it's looking like. Crisp, neat, and so cute. I was like in love already. And now we're going to do the armholes. So we're just going to double fold again on the inside of the dress, as you guys can see in the video, and just sew around that as well.
Tears I fight, 60 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night, on a long back road. All these tears I fight.
now going to do the bottom hem, which is the same story. First, make sure that your bottom hem is straight, so I had to recut, make sure that it's aligned nicely. And then we are going to do the double fold hem again. I know we are tired of the double fold hem, okay, but that's what we're going to be doing. And then we're gonna do a top straight stitch on top of it. And here are the armholes. They're looking nice and crisp. And here's the bottom hem, and we're done with that. For the headpiece, I'm just going to be joining one side of the rectangle together, make it a big long thing, and then hem around it. And this is how the dress came out. So this is just a fitting, and I'm super excited of how it came out. I was just hyping over myself. So you guys are going to see the final look, the fully after it's been washed and ironed, okay, in my birthday vlog that I'm going to be posting this coming Sunday. Won't you come with me and spend the night?